How's it going, guys? Today I'll be teaching you guys on how to install a Wi-Fi adapter inside your computer, okay? So I know that it's been a long time since I've uploaded, but we're back, and this is how we're gonna, oh my god, you can see my reflection. This is how we're gonna start. Okay, we're gonna install this Wi-Fi adapter inside our computer, okay? And the first step is going to involve opening the Wi-Fi adapter box, which I forgot my knife, so I have to go bring it. Okay, so I got the knife thing to unbox this, and now, so basically, oh, okay, that feels satisfying. And as you know, this video isn't a scam because I'm really just unboxing it in front of you. Unless I got scammed, you know, a true scammer is a scammer that doesn't scam. Hopefully this shit works because I paid a lot for it. It's more expensive than it should be. Like, considering that shit looks like a budget graphics card, like a graphics card that you'd buy off of wish.com. Like, I'm not very, like, you know, knowledgeable about technology. I just know how to install technology. You feel me, right? Okay, moving on. This is basically all we have. We have like this IO shield. This is where this stuff gets connected. This is a connector between the, I think it's too small, whatever. This is the thing that connects that with the motherboard, okay? This to the USB port on the motherboard. And this is like the IO shield. And this is generally the Wi-Fi adapter card. Oh my god, one-handing this stuff is actually pretty weird.
Oh my god, it feels like this is heavier than I expected. Bro, why is it not coming out?
Heavier than I expected. Yo, that's actually longer than I can pause. That's actually longer than I expected too. Basically, this is a computer, okay? You've probably seen this guy before around on the channel because we did do a bunch of doo-doo shit on here, okay? I think we cleaned it like a year ago. Since then, I haven't cleaned it. Basically, the next step involves trying to see which tray that we have to take out. So the way that I'm gonna do this is just, I'm gonna put this right here, right? Align this up and see which tray it aligns up with. So we have to take out this tray in order to, you know, do something. So the second tray, my hand-eye coordination is messed up due to me doing this. Oh my god, my fingers, holy crap. Okay. Oh. So it's gonna do the rest by hand. We just take this out. Now we have the tray unhooked, okay? Basically, in order to install this, I had to lay down the PC. And now I am going to try and install this.
Basically, this is supposed to be like a graphics card. So move the camera to the side so I can see. No, it's something that should be installed before you install the graphics card, in my personal opinion. This is probably not a very good placement for this, I'll be honest. It does not seem like a good placement. I might have to take off some more. Actually, no. Snap it in. Okay, snap it in.
I think it's in. I'm not 100% sure that it's in, but it seems like it is inside. Okay, so you're going to take the screw. We're going to put it inside the hole and just hand tighten it first. Okay, and then we're going to take the screwdriver.
Why is it not focusing? Focusing on the wrong thing. And we're just going to tighten it because I'm moving it the wrong damn direction. So after like gently tighten.
Next is that we're going to install the USB cable. So, as you can see, the USB port. Holy crap. Holy crap, we're installing it. Let's see. That's where my camera falls. Okay, so now that that's installed, now that I'm going to cable manage this properly. Oh my god. So basically, I plugged in the wire and it worked out, as you can see. But I hate plugging in these wires because I have a feeling I'm going to break the pins. Okay, and that's the same fear I had when building this, and it makes this weird ass noise. It makes like this scrunching noise every single time. I don't know why, okay? It's gonna use this for now. So basically we have it connected and I've temporarily done it to that. And we're just gonna make sure it works before I actually do some final cable management. So now I'm just gonna install, basically I'm gonna put this, plug everything back in and see what happens. One thing that I forgot is the installation for the antennas, right? So here I have the antenna. We're basically just ripping them, the packaging, took out the antennas, and we're just gonna screw them in.
Go straight directly in. I think there's a pin inside there. Yeah, there's a pin inside there. So you have to be careful. Well, screwing this in, it's actually not that hard. You screw it. I'm not gonna do it that
Tight. Actually, no. Actually, you can just make it face upwards or in whatever direction. Like, let's say it's blocking your graphics card, right? Just move it out of the way, I guess. You can't really point it downwards, but yeah, just move it out of the way.
So I'm just gonna install the second one. Okay, yeah, it's a slow process, but it is what it is. I'm blocking the mic the whole time, so.
Basically, after plugging everything back inside and turning on the computer, we're just gonna check. Well, this is it. This is the end of the video, and I would like to say, please like and subscribe and share this video with anybody that needs it, and thank you for watching.